Want to get started with Claude Code? This video is for you. Let's get you from zero to productive in 5 minutes. Hey, Alex here from Grit AI Studio. This is episode 0 in our Mastering Claude Code series. This episode is for all of you that are getting started. The absolute beginner's guide to Claude Code. By the end, you'll have it installed, running, and doing useful work. No fluff. For a longer and more thorough introduction to Claude Code, make sure you check out our ultimate getting started guide here. If you're already up and running, skip ahead to the next episode. Okay, enough talk, let's go. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that lives in your terminal. It can read your files, run commands, and edit code directly with your permissions. It's an AI-assisted coder that can actually roll up its sleeves and get things done. Claude Code helps you turn ideas into code faster than ever before. I say it lives in your terminal, but you can actually access it on the web through the Claude desktop app and various coding environments as plugins. But don't let the terminal scare you. This is where we get the absolute full power from Claude Code. So what makes it different from ChatGPT or regular Claude? It works with your actual files, not just copy-paste. It runs real commands on your system. It understands your entire project, not just snippets. Honestly, I think of Claude Code as the all-purpose AI agent, because it's so much more than just coding. But more on that in our full Getting Started guide. Once you're up and running, you can simply tell Claude what you want to build in plain English. It will make a plan, write the code, and ensure that it works. To get started, you need a Claude subscription or Claude Console account. You can start with the Pro plan at $20 per month, but if you end up using this a fair bit, you'll want to move over to one of the Max plans. With your account set up, all you have to do is open your terminal or your command line, and then we're ready to go. On Mac or Linux, we use this command right here. Just copy it and paste it into your terminal window and hit enter. If you're on Windows, you can either use your command line and copy this command right here, or if you're familiar with PowerShell, you can use this command here. Pick whatever works for you. Now all you have to do is navigate to your project folder with the change directory command, and then type Claude and hit enter. The first time you'll be prompted to log in with your Claude account. Just follow the browser prompt, authorize, and you're in. Once you're logged in, your credentials are stored and you won't need to log in again. You'll be asked if you trust the folder that you're in, and once you confirm, you're ready to roll. So this is Claude Code. And that prompt box at the bottom is where the magic happens. Now you can start chatting with Claude Code, the same way you talk with Claude or ChatGPT. Now, if you're starting in a blank project, we can start asking Claude to build stuff for us. If you open an existing code project, you can start asking Claude about your project. Claude reads your files, explores the structure, and gives you a summary. No setup required, it just figures it out. In a blank project, I can simply drop in some data and ask Claude to build a dashboard for me. Claude Code always asks for permissions before modifying files. You can type /help to see available commands, or you can simply ask Claude what it can help you with. Claude Code reads your files as needed. You don't have to manually add context. Claude also has access to its own documentation and can answer questions about its features and capabilities. Claude Code is your AI pair programmer. Talk to it like you would with a helpful colleague. Describe what you want to achieve, and it will help you get there. A few very simple things to know when you're just getting started. Hit enter to send your message to Claude. Click escape anytime to cancel the current action. You can always use /help to show you all available commands. And learn to use /clear, which resets the conversation. This is something you should make a habit of doing between tasks. More on that in future videos. When you're done for the day, you can type exit or Control-C. And that's it. That's the absolute basics. You're ready to use Claude Code. In the next episode, we'll cover all the shortcuts and commands you need to know to level up your game with Claude Code. That's Claude Code in 5 minutes. Now go build something cool with Claude Code and let me know in the comments below what you're building. We really appreciate if you hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.